So for this week, we are focusing on a free response question that deals with unitary and federal states. Okay. Um, Again, the do what chart there is a tool for you to use, but it is not required if it doesn't benefit you, right? So here's the prompt. We got two stimuli, right? We got Japan and Germany. Cool, 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 cool. First thing that I notice in here is Germany seems to be subdivided into smaller parts, right? And Japan is just a solid Japan, right? Okay, I don't know if that means anything. Got a distance here. I don't know. I don't know if I need to know that. The political geographers classify most countries as either unitary states or federal states. So again, we need to know what those two things mean, right? Unitary, singular, central government, top down. Federal, you're breaking up decision making along smaller local units. And you should really go back and look up and look at some examples of those and why people would choose one or the other. Right, that's the idea. Explain one positive and one negative impact of the unitary system. Okay, so far we haven't used the maps at all. Unitary system. What's the benefit of having one central government that has control of everything? Makes one decision for everybody. What's the benefit to that? What's the drawback? All right. There's a few. Identify and explain one reason why some countries are governed as federal states. Oh, number one is asking for the identity of the map shown. Yeah. So which one of these is unitary, right? Well, folks, if you don't know, I wouldn't know if I was 14 years old. It kind of shows you on the map, right? Which one isn't divided? Unitary, right? Sorry, go back to number three. Identify and explain one reason why some countries are governed as federal states. So what's the benefit of breaking up decision-making at the local or regional level in a country? What's the reason for it? What does it do, right? Once you post, hit reply, post, make sure you have a thesis statement. Overall, this, folks, 1, 2, 3, this should probably be about a page, okay? It's not a page and a half in terms of really providing examples and telling you why those are the answers, right? You want to convince me you know the answer, okay? Excuse me, once you post, you'll see the scoring guide in the discussion thread. You reference that in checking your response. You reply to your initial post, your same post, with a score, okay? And that's where the real learning takes place, folks, because when you're comparing what you know with a scoring guide, that's the really big deal, okay? All right. If you have questions, let me know.